Welcome everyone, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, March the 20th. Yeah, he's actually both. He asked us just to use both names, Jason. So they're both Mike Daly is DMP. But welcome to Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, March the 20th. We are breaking bomb box full size helmets. This here is a one box break. We randomed up our 19 remaining boxes. We got number 39. We did random teams on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them all a chance to trade. I'm in a couple offers, nothing going down though. So here we go. Well, that's why I said if he didn't hit, I'm going to feel like hell. But it seems to be how it's been going lately. Well, folks, I don't know who's got them, but I actually love this helmet, man. It's a really nice looking helmet in person, guys. Well, y'all, that is going to be the Tampa Bay slot. I'm going to have to show that in the other light because that's bleaching out the SIG a little bit. But that is going to be the Mike Alstott Hydro F7 PSA on that. I'm telling you, man, she is a really nice looking helmet, guys. I'm going to switch out my camera. Just so I can show the SIG, because that SIG's getting bleached out a little bit on that one. Bam, it actually stands out a lot better than it's showing there, guys. I don't know why that light's just sort of glaring it out there, but it actually stands out pretty damn nice. I actually like the way it looks. Trying to get it to where it damn shows in the right light there. Well, that's going to be a Joe hit. I am so sorry, DMP. I really am, bud. Bam. But gonna be a Joe hit. It's got the A-Train inscription on it. Joe, I'm sorry. There you go. A little better there. And then they got the light glaring off of it. But it has the A-Train inscription on it. And I'm telling you, man, it is a beautiful helmet. I really like that thing. Well, DMP, I am so sorry, bud. I'm sorry everybody else as well. But this series, guys, I'm telling you, look at Zach was buying 10 slots a break the other night too, man. Didn't hit one thing on those. It just seems like a weird series where the big guys are missing on their lots of slots, man. That marked as Joe. Wow, I am so sorry, bud. But again, this series, man, has been a lot of 1 and 2 slot hits. I hate to say it, probably about half our boxes have been 1 and 2 slotters hitting it, maybe more, man. It's been a very odd series. Here we go. And pull one of Joe's out. We got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times, everybody. Well, J-Mix is going to get both of the qualifiers. Again, it is qualifiers 51 and 52. We award that at the end of the series. We got 18 boxes left, guys. Whole lot of nice hits still left there for you. Breakers.TV, YouTube, Facebook.